What's up guys, my name is Kevin, and today I'll be talking about the state of the stock market in 2021. And if you look at every other asset class besides stock market, we could look at real estate. Real estate market is red hot. Anything that's going on in the market, old or new, is selling like hotcakes. New buyers can't compete with buyers that want to pay over the market or over the market value of that house. And home builders can't keep up with the demand for new housing. It just makes me wonder, like, is this going to be very sustainable? And we could jump into like crypto. Everyone all of a sudden in 2021 is posting on their stories, this is going to be the next 10x crypto. We're going to make a lot of money in the short term just pumping and dumping these types of currencies. Or looking at the state of the stock market with the meme trading with like Wall Street Bets or AMC, GameStop. And I'm not bashing like any of these types of investments, but it's just being aware and conscious, like this type of investment style is not very sustainable for the long term. Maybe in the short term, it will last for maybe the next 6 months or even another year or so, but it's not going to be sustainable for the average investor out there. And jumping back to this main part of the video, the state of the stock market in 2021. And I've been investing in the market since 2019, experimenting that year with it, making a lot of mistakes and just developing my mindset fundamentals and just building good habits off that year of mistakes and just becoming wiser so I could capitalize in 2020, 2021, and just decades beyond then. For the masses or people that actually want to start investing seriously, long-term investing is like one of the most winningest strategies in the market, and it should be in every person's investment books. And you don't want to be caught up in the short-term drama people making and posting on Reddit or on YouTube. I just made a lot of money in the short term investing, YOLOing on this certain option or this certain stock. And you don't want to be thinking irrationally and just thinking like, why didn't I just do that and make 2x, 3x, or make 100 grand or even a couple 100,000 off that meme trade. And really, like, it all starts like with your mindset, building good habits, and just like really staying in your own lane when investing. With investing in general, you should be comparing yourself to your past self, not to other people in Discord chats, online, or even Reddit. And you gotta ask yourself and just really like journal and see like, did my stock market account or portfolio grow from a month ago, 6 months ago, or even a year? If it hasn't, like, you gotta ask yourself questions. Am I putting consistent money into my portfolio each and every single month? What am I actually investing into? Am I investing into something that I understand on a high level? Or am I investing into something because someone else says this is the next 10x stock? As an investor, you gotta think for yourself. You gotta build the good habits, because good habits are gonna compound into something special later down the line. And you don't wanna build bad habits. And I'll be very biased, like short-term trading, meme trading. Do these fundamentals make sense of where the market cap is, or people are just pumping and dumping them? And like with anything in life, it's going to be like a grind. You want to be putting all your time and effort onto that one thing. And when you're like a long-term investor in the market, you shouldn't fear for the next crash or for your investments to go down in the short term. You got to think the opposite. Simple psychology. If you look at the real world, when things go on sale, people tend to buy more of it, like from gas to milk to bread. But in the market, when things go down, what do? People get scared, get emotional, and don't think the opposite. When my investments are lower, why not buy more of it at a lower price to lower my cost basis, to increase my position size in that certain stock or business? And when you're investing in the market, you're investing into that underlying business. You don't care about the technicals. I mean, you can, but technicals are good to get into that certain stock and out of that stock in the short term, but in the long term, it doesn't really matter. You gotta understand like what you're actually really investing into. Is it gonna be a company that's gonna be growing 10 to 15% revenue wise for the next 5 or 6 years or so? Is it a sector that's gonna be growing exponentially? Does it have a TAM? Is this company gonna be the number 1 tour player? And what's their track record for their management team? And there's like many things that really go into investing. If it's investing to single family homes in real estate, investing to different cryptocurrencies, and investing to individual stocks for the long term. Each one of those asset classes has their pros and cons of it, and like what resonates with you. And I kind of suggest, I'm not a financial advisor, but for most people, long-term investing is the way to go. Buy and hold, and that's it. That's the winning strategy. File it in the cabinet and just forget about it. You don't care what happens in the short term from mainstream media, from meme trading, the rise of cryptocurrency or real estate. It's just really kind of like building that good habits, staying rational as an investor, understanding what you're investing into, being patient and disciplined, and always having that cash on the sidelines so you could capitalize when there are short-term dips in the market. Over time, the market has historically gone up, and we have 150 years of data to prove that. The market annually returns to 6 to 8% each and every single year if you invest into an index fund or total stock market index. Stay in your own lane. Thank you for watching and peace out.